In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find and see reposts here on Instagram. If you do find this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But maybe you want to check which post or reels you've reposted and remove them if needed. What you're going to want to do is actually begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Now, just under your bio, but right above your feed, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. What you're going to want to do is instead of selecting the post one, instead of selecting the real one, and instead of selecting the tag one, is actually select this little repost one right here. It's going to be the ones with the arrows going in a circle. That is the repost tab. From here, you can see everything you've reposted. Simply tap on any post to actually view it, and if you'd like to remove a repost, simply just tap the repost icon again on that post to remove it. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. You've now found your reposts and know how to manage them. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.